In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a WhatsApp chat feature right onto your WordPress website. By the end of this video, your visitors will be able to reach out to you instantly via WhatsApp, making it easier to answer questions, connect with customers, and maybe even boost those sales or leads. Let's get right into it and make your website even more interactive. Alright, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard. If you're not sure what I mean, that's the backend part of your website where you make all the magic happen, posting articles, tweaking design, and installing new features like we're doing today. So just type /wp-admin at the end of your website URL, hit enter, and log in with your username and password. Take a moment here, sometimes we forget our logins, and that's totally normal. If you do, just use the password recovery options. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side, scroll down until you see the plugins option, hover over it, and a little menu will pop out. Click on Add New. You're now in what I like to call the WordPress App Store. This is the place where you can find thousands of free and paid tools to add nearly any feature imaginable to your website. Now in the search bar at the top right, type in WhatsApp. You'll see a whole bunch of plugins show up. Some of the popular ones are Click to Chat, Social Chat WP, and WP Chat App. So which should you pick? Honestly, they all have similar basic features, like letting people start a chat with you with just one click, but some have more customization options or work better with certain site themes. Don't stress too much about this part. If you pick one and don't like it, you can always install another. For most beginners, Click to Chat works really well, so that's a safe starting point. Find the plugin you want and click the Install Now button right next to its name. WordPress will do its thing, and this might take just a few moments. If you see a little spinning icon, don't worry, that means it's working. Once you see Activate where the Install Now button was, go ahead and click that. Activating the plugin makes it live on your site, but don't worry, most of these plugins don't change anything on your site until you customize the settings. Just to recap, you logged into your WordPress dashboard, went to Plugins, Add New, searched for a WhatsApp plugin, installed it, and activated it. That's the foundation, and you're honestly most of the way there. At this point, your website has the ability to add WhatsApp chat, but you'll need to finish the setup in your plugin settings, like adding your own WhatsApp number and deciding where you want the chat button to appear. Many plugins let you customize colors and greeting messages too, so you can make it feel like a natural part of your site. You can usually find the plugin settings in the main menu on the left or under Settings. And that's it, your visitors are just one tap away from reaching you on WhatsApp, making your website more personal and responsive. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.